morning, CI. I'm Nancy.
And I'm Hector.
And these are your news and announcements for today, Friday, June 10th, 2022. Less than 1 week left before graduation. Late orders for cap and gown can be picked up at the front office after school at the front office window.
Did you know we live stream the graduation right here on this channel? Family out of town, can't get tickets, don't want to sit outside in the heat? Watch from your device on our channel. Graduates, there is an exciting photography service that will allow graduates and up to 6 family members or friends to select and purchase professional photos taken of you during the graduation ceremony on June 15th. Use the QR code on the screen today to register.
Upcoming events. Campus will be open for students to attend tutoring in the library and for teachers to hold tutorial or lessons from 8:30 to 12:45 this Saturday on June 11th. Please feel free to invite students and join us in offering students more time to make up work and increase access to educational assistance on the weekends.
Seniors, it's checkout week. Want your teachers to sign you out? Have you finished your final project first? Please check the dates on these important events.
Attention readers. If you need help on any of your academic classes, please visit our UBCI Tutoring Center in room 51A. We have great tutors ready to help you. Yearbooks will increase to $90 on Friday, June 10th. Order online at yearbookordercenter.com, code 8464, or visit Ms. J. There is a yearbook distribution party Friday afternoon from 2:15 to 4:30 in front of the gym. There will be music, games, and more. All are welcome.
Senior class, panoramic pictures on sale for $20 at the bookkeeper's window. Will be delivered on June 13th, first day of practice.
Senior checkouts. Please note that Ms. J is number 4. The checkouts must be done in order. Chromebooks will be sold beginning June 9th at the bookkeeper's window. June 10th, sales location will be announced. Cash or card, no personal check. Sign-ups for the next batch of Chromebooks deadline is June 10th.
And now we go to some more teacher pet peeves. And we are back.
We have had a handful of seniors participate in our show, and we are definitely sad to see them go. Here are some senior farewells and some advice they have for the rest of you.
And we are back. Congratulations, class of 2022, and good luck in the future with whatever it is you decide to pursue. We will definitely miss you here at the Islands.
Do you have any announcements or events you'd like to promote? Email us at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. Please send in your announcements at least 24 hours prior to the scheduled broadcast.
Want to watch the 2022 graduation streamed live? Catch it here on CI Live on Wednesday, June 15th, starting at 3:30.
Our last show of the year will be next Tuesday. That is all your news and announcements for today. Have a great day, Raiders.
Okay, now you can count.
1, 2, 3.
Some advice we have for you is to live your high school years to the fullest because you never know when a pandemic is going to take it away. As well as get your license.
Have fun while you're here.
Nice.
Don't stay up doing work, it's not worth it.
Pay your child support. Get a job.
Don't forget to do your taxes.
Don't ditch.
Senior talent signing off.
Oh,
I think that's good. That's enough.
I didn't put my glasses perfect.